Welcome to Inside Concept Pro. How to use PTZ UI. It's possible to control cameras using the recorder's PTZ UI. To set this feature up for your zoom dome or bullet camera, or for your fully functional pan tilt zoom dome, you must enter Menu, System Setup, Camera, PTZ Setup. Next to the channel number, you'll see a tick box for the RS485 to be switched on. Select this if you're operating a camera that has a separate RS485 data pair fed to the dome itself. This would be for a PTZ camera, as static zoom cameras will be operating on the data stream and don't require this setting. Once you've set the channels up, apply, and if you've changed anything, and return back to the live screen. To control your camera, simply select it for full screen displays, double-clicking the image. Move your cursor to the bottom of the screen and select the PTZ icon to bring up your control user interface. Use the up, down, left, right arrows to control the PTZ and the zoom in and out for the plus and minus buttons. Obviously the zoom cameras can only zoom in and out and should only autofocus, so there's no need to worry about that.